Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am up with another recreation, and today I am going to recreate the Jeffree Stars look. Now this is what the makeup looks like. I'm gonna put it here so that you guys can see, and his base is very dewy and very natural, yet it's full coverage. All the products would be in the description box, and I'm not gonna talk about all the products. I will directly talk about how he did his eyes. So without any chit chat, let's just start the video. So for my eyes, I'm going to use the Anastasia Riviera palette. I'm also going to use the Dream Vault from the Colourpop. I will link everything in the description box. I'm also going to use the e.l.f. 100 Shades Holiday palette, just in case. So whatever the palettes you have, you can use. I just don't have one palette which has all the shades, and he did use the Jawbreaker palette. I don't have that, so I'm gonna work with whatever I have. Now he doesn't have eyebrows, or he shaved his eyebrows, I don't know. So that's why it's like a cat eye going on. Now I'm going to keep my eyebrows. I'm not going to conceal them. And I'm just going to create an eye look because I have very wide eyes. So I will try to work my way out, and let's see how it goes. I'm mainly the fan of the colors he used. He used all the bright colors, and he just did a white tear. So I'm going to try that, and we are all in this together. Let's just start. So first I'm going to tape the sides, obviously, just to get that precision look. Now don't judge me, I am not a certified or a professional makeup artist. I always said I am a makeup lover. I'm first going to start with the yellow shade he has. With the yellow shade he has, and then orange and pink and whatnot. I'm going to use the Cabana shade from the Anastasia, and I'm going to start it right over here. Oh, I'm going to use the orange shade, and for that I'm going to use the Orange You Glad palette, and I think he has some of the color of these sorts, so I'm going to use that. Oh no, wait, we have the exact one. It's this one. It's the Rise and Grind. I'm going to just place the color underneath the mustard yellow color we used. Okay, it looks very nice and blended, and some ombre going on. Still, we're gonna deepen this color a little bit. I'm gonna move on to the pink color, pink and purple. So he has pink and then purple going on here, and yellow in the inner corner, and then blue and purple on the outer corner. I'm just gonna do the pink here, and for that I'm going to move back to my Anastasia palette. I'm going to use the Bahama shade. It's a very nice hot pink purpley color. And then he has the highlight going on, so I'm going to use the Inheritance shade, and I'm going to pop it before I forget. Ooh, that looks amazing. And now I will be moving on to the purple shade, and his purple is very dark, and by the end of the eye it's like blue. So I'm going to use the Canvas shade from the same palette. This is such a versatile palette, and it is Jeffree Star approved, so I feel like I am somewhere. Now I'm going to switch the brush, and I will take this flat brush, and I feel like my lid are okay. I don't need to do a cut crease. I'm going to take the same Inheritance shade, and I'm just going to apply it in my inner corners. Is this even close to what he did? I don't know. You guys tell me in the comment section. I'm going to deepen the purple and then blend the blue in it and make like a nice wing, whatever he did. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm going to take brush like so. I'm going to switch the palette, and he has like a dark purple blue going on, which I don't know if we have it anywhere. I feel like the Clued In would work. Gonna mix that with the Canis shade and try to make the color which he has. And then I feel like he used red to blend kind of the wing of the orange, purple and pink and everything going on. And he also has like a champagne-y white golden sort of color going on in the inner corner, so I'm gonna do that as well. Some of this sort of shade. Oh yes, now we have the color. The easiest way to do is, this is like sort of like a red orange family sort of an eyeliner. So his outer corner is blue and then red orange sunset sort of a color, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it with the pencil. I don't know where we are, but now it's looking very beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line, and he has like a nice blue ombre going on, and his waterline has white color, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to use the Colourpop's white gel eyeliner, and it's in the shade Exit. Okay, now we are somewhere close. Looks a little bit together. I'm gonna remove this. I hope I did not ruin my base. We can work that out later. My god. So I'm gonna continue with the Blue Moon palette, and I will use the two shades, the Starry Eyed and the Clued In, to give like a nice ombre look. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It looks so iconic. Wow, I love it. I feel like I'm gonna put a little bit of purple in my outer corner. And for that, again, I'm going to use the gel eyeliner because that's the easy way to do it. And I'm lazy, so hey. Now it's coming together. This is what I wanted in my outer corner. It's looking very pretty, and it's the exact color I wanted. Shade is so pretty, so pretty. Oh, I thought I was done. No, still have to do the tear. I guess we are just gonna use the white eyeliner. Okay, so he has it in his left eye, but I feel like I'm just gonna do it on my right eye. It doesn't matter. Okay, it looks so pretty on camera. Wow. So I'm just going to take a tiny brush like so, and I'm just going to give a little bit of shadow to this so it looks like a real 3D tear. And for that I will need my e.l.f. palette. This was the first time I was doing this look. I have not practiced off camera, or I haven't done anything. This is for the first time I'm doing it with you guys. So I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend everything on my eyes. So he has a very nude lipstick going on. Okay, I'm first going to use the mascara. I'm going to use the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and coat my lashes, and then we will move on to the eyelashes, like a falsies. By the time we do lipstick, this will dry out. So now I'm going to use the combination of Quo Lipgloss and the Thin Lizzy Spicy Cinnamon. This was the closest I had of whatever he is having on his lips. Now he overlined his lips with like a dark lip liner, I believe. I'm just going to do that with the same lipstick, using the corners. His lips are looking very iconic. I don't know why I keep saying that word, but I love it. Whenever I watch his video, he would always say, this is iconic and that is iconic, and just is in my head. Okay, this is the closest I could get. Now we're moving on to the lashes, and I have actually two options. So I have these two options, and I feel like these one will go. So this is the Lucy lashes in the variant L001. And these are the mink lashes, and he has the very dramatic lashes going on. So I'm gonna put that off camera and I will be right back. So he has wavy hair. Now I have naturally straight hair and I'm not gonna do anything to my hair, as I did not do anything to my eyebrows. So these are the closest lashes I could get of what Jeffree was wearing, and I'm gonna pop the picture here somewhere again so that you can be the judge and see how close it is. I am honestly happy with however it turned out, and it's looking very pretty. I would obviously wear it outside without any, like, you know, oh, it's so bold and all of that, and I would love to wear this look outside, of course, without the tear, obviously, but it's looking very, very, very pretty, and I'm so happy and proud of myself that I did it. And it took me almost 1 hour to shoot this whole video. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, so this is how it turned out. I am really happy of how it is looking right now. No doubt why everyone loves Jeffree's makeup, and he is iconic and he is an inspiration, of course. I try to watch almost all his videos, so I know, like, he plays around with the palettes and all of that, but I don't know, I'm not sure if he made a video on this particular look. Otherwise I would have watched it and it would be easy for me. But hey, that's the challenge, that you just see a picture, you figure out your own way and you recreate it, and that's how it works. So yeah, I'm really happy about how it turned out, and let me know how you guys like it. If you want more recreational videos, or if you have any particular request of whom should I recreate the look of, so you can comment down below. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.